Javier, how are you doing here today?
Very well, thank you.
Javier, thank you so much for joining. And for our audience at home who might not be aware, could you tell us a bit more about yourself, your job role at ACI, and also ACI itself, please?
Sure. I'm Javier. My role at ACI is product manager for the debit business line, right? ACI in general is a technology company that develops products for banks to provide solutions for payments in general. We do retail payments, we do merchants, we do real-time payments and transaction banking. And my role is managing the card issuing vertical on the business lines.
Incredible. Now, cards still dominate a lot of countries, but with real-time payments coming in, how is that having an impact on the card scene?
Well, real-time payments today are growing a lot. We have seen growth of 200% and 300% in a year, but obviously they start from very low volumes. So they are going to take their time to keep up with cards. They are more focused on very specific use cases. They are used a lot for person-to-person payments or substituting cash or even wire transfers being moved into instant payments or real-time payments. But consumers in general, they are used to pay with a card, right? And so what has changed a lot is the form factor of the card. The card has been moved into a phone, into a watch, a digital form of it. So it's not so much that the plastic has disappeared, it has changed, it has transformed in something different, right? So in fact, the banks need still to continue using the rails through which the card payments go and manage creating those new form factors for consumers.
I think it's fair to say that financial institutions, the banks, don't want to be thinking about the technology behind all those different form factors. Correct. So how can you at ACI Worldwide help these institutions grapple with this huge technological disparity?
Well, we do offer banks solutions to help them solve that in a way that is flexible. That way, the management of the form factor itself gets transferred to them. So they only need to worry about what are the risk factors that they want to assign to each consumer and how that consumer is going to be able to interoperate with whoever is going to receive the payment and have them in real time, fast, with access to information, etc. So that's what we are able to provide them. The key point there is the flexibility and the agility to do that, because market is changing very fast, right? We are seeing fintechs and companies launching products to the market. The banks need to be able to adapt to those changes quickly. So flexibility is key for them.
Now, with ACI Worldwide, obviously the moniker worldwide, where are some of the most interesting developments you've seen card payments and real-time change over the last couple of years? Well,
the tendency in general, the trend is digitalization. Yeah. So there has been obviously all the tokens that are being stored in watches and Fitbit and all of that stuff that has been very trendy. I would not say that it has had a huge volume, but it's been indicating those leading edge banks that are launching the latest in the market, and that is actually more maybe it's more a marketing thing, yeah. Right? But it's actually what they need. They need to attract the young consumers. It's the ones that are making all of
watch.
I do.
Yeah.
And I'm not young. Anyway.